So we've been working with Sam and Phil for a long time now, so when the opportunity came to learn even more from them, it was just a total no-brainer.
Yeah, I think the Academy's completely changed the way we do things in our agency. So if you speak to Sam and Phil, they'll tell you that we've always been able to get results, but we're terrible at bragging and telling people about what we can do. So taking the Academy and just completely changed the way we put our message out there and actually show we can do what we know we can do.
Yeah, so that's kind of like the best bit about the Academy is it's kind of given us that clear purpose and direction, so that we're not just putting something out there for a tiny amount of time and then seeing if that works. If it didn't work, then we'd chop and change really quickly into something else. And you hear so many people say this works, that works, whereas actually going through something step by step and understanding the process has been really, really good, and taking that guesswork out and worrying has just been fantastic. And I guess also we now have like the confidence in the strategy, and if the worst comes to the worst, there's also like the whole group that supports you and kind of goes through things and really helps you out.
Yeah, but by far the biggest change we've made is the way we talk to our potential clients. So thanks to the Academy, our positioning is just so much better. And not only are we able to charge more, but our clients are actually easier to deal with, which is just incredible, and it's just made such a difference to our time and what we can do.
Yes, they trust in the system and they trust what we're doing is actually good, whereas I think before we'd come across a bit unsure, and then that obviously puts them in an unsure position. So yeah, it's been fantastic.
Yep.
Thanks, Sam and Phil.
Thank you.